Doesn't look too bad, apart from I wanted that bit there covered, and also these scratch marks here. I think they're some kind of resin. There's another one there. The paintwork looks a bit funny where they've rubbed it with something. Don't know whether that will polish out. The mirrors as well, it's on the mirrors. And there's another one there, look. Don't know if this is picking it up well, but another mark there. Another bit of rubbish or resin there. And another bit there, look. So it's going back and there on the mirror. So it's got its MOT tomorrow, but look at that paintwork. I don't know what that is. Whether it's just, oh, it'll wipe off actually. It'll wipe off.